Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REDMI K90 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's begin with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now all we have to do is to take a look at this option bar here and tap on this third option from the right, which are the settings. So let's tap on this gear icon, or actually flower icon, and go to the languages. So here we've got the list of all applied languages. We've got only English. So let's tap on Add Keyboards, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So either you can scroll and try to find it, or you can enter this section, search language, and enter the name of the language which you'd like to apply. After that, after finding it, simply tap on it, and now we can choose the keyboard layout. So just mark the option which you'd like to use and tap on Done. As you can see, we've got our language applied, and before I'll show you how to remove the language from this list, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So let me go back. Here we've got the hint, as you can see, because after adding additional language, we have also an additional icon, which is globe icon or language key, thanks to which we will be able to change the keyboard layout. So now we've got English, and after tapping on it, we've got Urdu. Alright, so the spacebar also, here we've got the difference because it is not empty. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, which is currently displayed. So in order to remove the language, simply open the settings again, tap on the languages, and here in the step we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's mark the language which we'd like to remove and tap on the sharpen icon. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.